Let's make some jalapeno barbecue beef sliders. Dice 1/2 of an onion and 1 green pepper. Saute your beef and veggies. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Cut your rolls in half and place the bottom of the buns on a greased pan. Spread the beef mixture onto the buns. Add slices of jalapeno peppers. Add more barbecue sauce. Now add your shredded cheddar cheese. Place down the top of the buns. Mix 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of parsley. Melt the butter and spread onto the buns. Bake at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.